Doing the front wheel bearing on a CB900, and since they run the exhaust underneath the frame, this shit you gotta do just to jack it up. Some pipe staging, ratchet straps, and get it elevated. Some straight yeehaw shit. Never done the wheel bearings on this, but we're gonna take a crack at it. So I'm guessing the first thing you do is pop off the calipers on both sides. So just like a car, you're gonna get some sort of line going so you can hang them once you pop them off. Alright, and these bolts, these two over here, same thing on the other side, are running 14 mil. So you're gonna pop them off, pull the caliper, tie it up. Once you pull those out, this thing's gonna fight you a little bit. It's gonna be a little tight on there, but she ain't get right off. Alright, now that you have both calipers hanging, the climber manual says on 900C models, expand the speedometer cable set spring and pull the speedometer cable free from the hub, which is this right here. Okay. Oop. I don't know if you can see that. You just pull it right out of that little socket. Pretty simple how these work. This has a groove in it. If you can see it. Focus, there you go. Okay. And inside the hole is some stuff where it slides in. That little groove. That's it. Alright, next you're going to take off the axle pinch bolt right here. Mine's 13 mil, 13 and 13. So all it does is pinch this little clamp, little added security so the axle nut doesn't come out. You can pop that off. Next, what you want to do before you pull out the axle is just take note, take pictures if you gotta, stuff like your spaces, you know, because this side's gonna be different from this side. And how everything's set up, you want to go back exactly the same way. Alright, you made it this far. Now you're ready to pull out the axle. So what you gotta do is grab an 18 mil, toss it on here. Now what you need to realize is this bore is smooth and it's threaded into that end. Okay, so you're gonna screw it out and pull it through. The axle's gonna pull right out as you suspend the wheel. Get the spacer that's inside the dust seal. Pull that out. Get on the ground exactly how it came out. There you go. Same thing with the other side. Before you pull it out, make note which side is which, so you can put it back the same way. So on the left-hand side, I have a little yellow dot on the tire. That way I know, you know, because you could have directional tires and all that good stuff. Alright, now you're ready to do your wheel bearings. A couple notes: elevate the wheels so you're not riding on the rotors. Okay. Also, your biggest thing: do yourself a favor and get some all balls racing bearings. Your life literally rides on these. Do not get some cheapo eBay or Amazon bearings. Okay. There's the part number for you. Fits many different models. These are the best ones you can get. We'll get to it. First order of business, you're gonna pop your wheel seal out, which is this right here. It keeps the dust, grime, and everything out. Use a flat blade screwdriver. Do not gouge the hub. Okay, can't stress it enough. Just take your time. It doesn't come out. Take a little heat. Heat around the hub for a couple seconds. Pop it right out. Yep, mine's being extremely stubborn, even with some leverage and prying action. So what we're gonna do, hit it with some heat, and hopefully she pops out. That seal was a bitch to get out. Holy shit. You need some real leverage to get it out and a lot of heat. So now you're down to the bearing, and kind of unfortunate. Thought the 3-jaw puller would be able to get it, but if you look, there's a sleeve down in there, so that's going to prevent that from pulling it. Just got to do old school. Drift, hammer, and punch it out evenly from the opposite side. These have what look like a bearing retainer right here. It's probably a special tool to get it out, but you know, you deal with what you got. So, screwdriver, hammer, hit it on out of there, unscrew it, then we can hit this bearing out. Once you crack it free, you gotta spin it on out. Come on. Like so. Okay, just threads right on in the hub. Now you're ready to pop that bearing out. Once it pops out, the old bearing's gonna come flying out along with the axle sleeve and make it a piece of cake to get the other one out. Other side's a little different, has a smaller seal. Under that looks like a retainer clip for the bearing retainer. And yeah, we're gonna check it out. The smaller seal was a hell of a lot easier to pop out. So there's that. Put that there. Alright, this clip looks like it's just a little retainer for the bearing retainer nut. It's the same thing. Unscrew that and we'll punch that out. So I thought that was a bearing retainer nut. Tried hitting it out with the hammer, made a little chunk, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try punching the bearing out as is. And 2 whacks, comes right out. So that worked for me. You might not have to take that out. So easy enough. So ultimately, this was the wheel bearing that was failing on me. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it, but it has some serious slop in it. I'm guessing from 1982. Look at the back all exposed and stuff. New ones are nice and sealed, front and back. So, should be gliding now. Grab some wheel bearing grease. You're gonna coat the inside of the hub where it sits. Okay. Get a little driver kit or a socket that fits on the outside of the bearing. Drive it in there.